Sometimes, when we have a long project that takes us into the open, Mr. Aegis makes up a sleeping powder to give to Dragon.
How do you get him to take it?
Someone must go into the farmhouse kitchen and put it in his dish. The only way into the kitchen is through a tiny hole in the floor. Aegis tried it yesterday. That's how he broke his leg. Right. That was close.
What's up there?
The mill. It's falling apart. Hope it stays up there. At least until we've done with the plan.
Plan? What is the plan?
To live without stealing, of course.
It's wrong to take electricity from the farmer.
My child, we can no longer live as we know too much.
We're almost there.
Your Majesty, I should go prepare the children for tonight.
We shall wait here until dark.
About Dragon, maybe? Oh, nothing. Goodbye. I volunteer for Dragon.
Oh, no, Mrs. Brisby. Nicodemus, this is no job for her.
Please.
As you wish.
All right. Meet you at the west side of the farmhouse at dusk.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I must be crazy. Goodbye. I must be crazy.